Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 6 returns as one of the most distinctive EV sedans on the market, blending futuristic design, cutting-edge efficiency, and next-level technology. Hyundai crafted the IONIQ 6 to feel more like a rolling sculpture than a traditional car, a streamliner built for both elegance and progress. With subtle exterior updates and thoughtful improvements inside, the 2026 model evolves while staying true to its bold electric vision. On the outside, the IONIQ 6 still turns heads with its sleek coupe-like silhouette, arched roofline, and flowing proportions designed for aerodynamic perfection. Updates for 2026 include a sharper front fascia with slimmer pixel-inspired headlights, new bumper detailing, and aero-optimized wheels that range up to 21 inches. The full-width pixel light bar at the rear now offers dynamic animations, ensuring a signature presence on the road day or night. Fresh color choices like graphite violet and solar copper only enhance the car's futuristic character. Inside, the cabin feels less like a car and more like a lounge. The flat floor and long wheelbase provide exceptional roominess, while eco-friendly materials such as recycled plastics and bio-based leather highlight Hyundai's sustainable approach. A dual 12.3-inch digital display anchors the dashboard, updated with a smoother, curved integration for 2026. Multi-layer ambient lighting lets drivers set the mood, and available relaxation seats with heating and ventilation make long drives effortless. Space, comfort, and technology blend seamlessly, turning every trip into an experience. Performance and technology converge in ways that make the IONIQ 6 a standout. Powertrain choices include single-motor rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive, with outputs up to 380 horsepower. Thanks to battery refinements, range now stretches beyond 360 miles in certain trims, while Hyundai's signature 800V ultra-fast charging can restore 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes. That blend of long-distance capability and rapid refueling makes it both practical and thrilling. Hyundai's latest SmartSense suite adds highway driving pilot, predictive collision avoidance, and semi-autonomous highway travel, while a revamped infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google-powered navigation, and over-the-air updates, all working together to keep the IONIQ 6 connected, safe, and future-ready. With a starting price around $44,000 and top trims nearing $60,000, the 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 6 balances design, innovation, and driving enjoyment in a way few electric sedans can match. Efficient yet exciting, stylish yet practical, embodies Hyundai's forward-looking approach to electrification and redefines what an EV sedan should be.